Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media for personal branding. First, identify your unique strengths and what you want to be known for. This clarity helps you target the right audience. Next, select social media platforms where your audience is most active. Consistency across these platforms is key to building a recognizable and authentic brand. Let's dive into the specifics. Once you've established your presence, focus on your content. Share posts that provide value to your audience, whether it's insights, tips, or industry news. Don't just broadcast, actively engage by responding to comments and messages. This interaction builds community and trust. Regularly demonstrating your expertise positions you as a leader in your field. Optimizing your social media profiles is crucial for making a strong first impression. Start with a clear, professional profile picture and a concise, engaging bio that highlights your expertise. Incorporate relevant keywords to help people find you through searches. Always include a link to your professional website or portfolio, making it easy for others to learn more about your work. Finally, it's important to track your progress and adapt. Regularly review your social media analytics to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Pay attention to engagement rates, follower growth, and website clicks. Use these insights to refine your content strategy and optimize your approach. Continuous improvement is vital for long-term personal brand success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.